Click Control provides the ability to manage multiple system users, with users assigned to specific roles, and different permissions associated to each role. By default, there is only one user, which is the admin user that is configured on first install. To add additional users, navigate to App and click Manage Users. On the right-hand corner, you should see a button that says, New User. Click this and enter all or mandatory information. When adding a new user, specify a username, password, email, and mobile along with the role for the roles list. The roles determine what permissions a user has on the system, is that what operations they are allowed to perform. You can limit the user to single or multiple branches. When done, simply click the Save button. Coming back to the list page, you will see your recently added user. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.